your passport and your diploma. If you don't have diploma yet, you can apply your
Polytechnic University, which is located in Moscow, in Russia.
Moscow, how universities?
All these universities are from different parts of Moscow. We are from Moscow.
Yeah, thank you.
What are job opportunities for students?
Well, all the degrees in Russia are recognized in the West, in the East, like worldwide. So I don't see any problem in
this website. It's website of this scholarship campaign. 95% of Russian universities, they are state universities.
Polytechnic University, which is located in Moscow, in Russia.
Moscow, how universities?
All these universities are from different parts of Moscow. We are from Moscow.
Yeah, thank you.
You know English.
University, and especially for giving me time.
Thank you.
Under which program the scholarship will be?
We are Russian House. We are responsible for selecting people from Pakistan for the Russian government scholarship, and this is government scholarship, not from one university. So this is for all areas of study. Almost all Russian universities take part in this program, and this is for all levels of education, so bachelor, master, and PhD, and non-degree, short-term courses, whatever.
Free of charge?
The scholarship will cover the tuition fees for the whole period of study at the Russian university, and it will give you some pocket money, not that much, around 50 to 100 US dollars per month, but it is enough to cover your accommodation, student accommodation in a student hostel, student dormitory, which is usually costs 15 US dollars per month.
What are job opportunities for students?
Well, all the degrees in Russia are recognized in the West, in the East, like worldwide. So I don't see any problem in going abroad and continue studying or working abroad. But for those who like Russia and want to stay in Russia, so they can apply for residency permission and they can stay. So I know many Pakistani students that completed education and stayed.
What is the duration of this program?
So this is not a program, this is scholarship, and since all the Russian universities take part in this program, and they offer all kinds of programs. I mean, bachelor programs in Russia last for 4 years, master for 2 years, and PhD 3 to 4 years.
What is a job opportunity for the student in Russia during the study?
Yes, student can study. It's a good opportunity because recently in Russia was published law. According to this law, students of the form of study only they form has the right to work legally. Yes, they just prove the fact that they are students. They come to university, we give certificate that you are really a student, and with this certificate, students are able to study legally and having no problem. Yes, and in Moscow there are a lot of types of part job. It means that students from Pakistan has no problem. Yes, they can study, and after study days they can have part-time work because Moscow city has a wide range of such options.
Thank you.
Thank you.
This website. It's website of this scholarship campaign. 95% of Russian universities, they are state universities. State university in Russia means best quality, best education. And this scholarship campaign is also state campaign. So again, only best universities are here. Range of choice is just enormous. So you can choose one from 500 universities.